Probably gonna earn this load of wood. All right, so we went up to Ori yesterday or 2 days ago. It's been a long couple days on land.
Yeah.
So they fixed my Ori, figured out where it was leaking. I just got it reinstalled and aired up, and now we're gonna deal with some other problems that we've had on this thing, which is the back end set's too low. So we're gonna put an add leaf in it. These right here. So we go in pretty easy, so we'll do that. Today we got Jace helping us.
What is it even?
We're just putting those add leaves in here. So
We can do that to my truck too, probably.
well, it could if you had money. Just take the tires off, and I'll get the tranny jack under it. We'll get the other side off. All right, we got to do a little maintenance here. Shorten these up so they don't tire anymore. Get them?
Somewhat.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, we should be able to pull those. Pull those. We need to clean those and paint them a little too. I never painted them. They're rusted a little bit. I guess I'm gonna have to do it.
Take the shocks off.
Yeah, I didn't want to, but I'm gonna have to take it off. The 17 millimeter is not in here. If I was smart, I'd wheel that cart that I have right over here, and then I would just get a tool out of it as I needed it. But what fun's that, right? You getting excited to have your truck in here?
Yeah.
It's about time.
Do you have new bolts?
Yep. We got all that stuff. I just put one of these kits on my buddy's truck, which you guys will see. That's how I know I ordered it, and then he needed it, so we put it on his, and it worked perfect. So it's gonna be exactly what I need. I already know that. The old Chevy kit. Okay. That'll work right there, and then I'll get the nut for it, and we'll tighten her down. That's my finger you're smushing right there.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. It's there. We'll tighten her up a little bit. And I've cut that off. Finish tightening her up.
Perfect.
Like that. My kids lose my safety glasses faster than I can buy them. Good. There's 3 pair right here. I mean, it's good that he's using them. Show him his forge. He's into knife building, and he built that forge the other day. Pretty cool. We'll have to fire it up here in a minute, show you how it works.
Yeah, I built this little thing for your door. So you can close it so it heats good, but then this little bolt tightens it. There's the washer. That's our problem right there. Tighten her up. We'll light her up for you.
I'd stand back.
It might torch you.
You never know with what this kid's built, what we're going to get. Hey, did it burn you?
See? Then you can close that, heats it up.
Seems like it's going to heat something up.
Yeah, it heats up a lot of things.
Seems like the flame's not very well directed, but
No.
maybe someone knows more about this than us. They can comment and tell us.
Yeah, probably.
Tell us what you got going on. I don't know much about propane, how it all works. I know it's flammable, and that's about it.
Can I turn it up?
That seems like a lot of fire.
Yep.
Pretty cool, dude.
I couldn't get in
Oh, yeah,
inside.
that's good. Go brush this off real quick. Just take that wire brush and go like outside, brush all dirt off. We're gonna spray a layer of pretty on it here in a second. Now we're just waiting on Jace.
I thought you were going to paint that real quick. quick.
We're gonna paint it on here.
Um,
Well, we gotta go get a load of wood, or your mom's gonna be burning like furniture and stuff. Because we all know that she's not gonna be cold. And since it has decided to be winter time again, we're gonna need a little more wood. I need some anti-seize. Put a little on all those. That was pretty simple on that, right?
yeah.
One side down. Maybe we'll just take the Toyota and go get us a little jag of wood on the back of it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Test out these overloads. Done. One side.
Come on, man.
Well, I'm gonna let this bad boy down and put the other tire on it, and then we'll fix the power steering leak and some brake problems, and then we can go cut us a load of firewood because we're about out of firewood and it's snowing outside. We're getting ready to go striper fishing, or we want to, and it's snowing, but it hasn't snowed nearly enough this year, so we'll take it. Let it snow. We'll go load some wood on it. That'll settle her down. We gotta fix some brake issues this thing's got. The ABS it gives me grief, so we're bypassing it. And I just set that thing. Oh my goodness. We're putting that in instead of the computer. Manual stuff instead of
electronic.
Yep. All right, we just gotta figure out which one of these many lines is the feed. All right, so I had it figured out. That's an F on that for front. We'll mark that one. Yep, right there. That's my other front line. Yeah, there's one on each side. So this computer tells it when it should apply brakes if a tire slips and stuff, and I really don't like that. I like to apply brakes when I want it to apply. So we're making that happen right now. This is off of a Honda car, little proportioning valve. So you got one to each side on the front, and then this is the feed to the front that I'm putting on now. I can deal with that. Then we'll have to bleed it, get all the air out of it. And then the brakes it shouldn't pull. I had one back brake going to the front brake. So that's why it was pulling to the left when you would stomp on them. I mean, obviously I'm gonna have some lights on in the dash, but I already have that. Alright, that's good enough for now. Never had a hose clamp on this, so hopefully that'll fix it. Quit leaking. Alright, that's good. That wind's chilly up here.
Yeah.
Gotta get a little gas with the saw. We already put the oil in it. We'll go cut some wood. I'm gonna have to turn the hubs in pretty quick here. There's a foot of snow easy enough. Probably gonna earn this load of wood. Yeah. Little bar oil in her. All right, cameraman duties. You're gonna help load now.
Okay.
check it, make sure we got our wood. It's all good to stay. Yep, we're good. This is why we had to go make a run. We're about out of firewood. I mean, we're about done. This will get us through probably. The boys will unload it and we'll split her up, haul it up to the back porch. Toyota seems to work awesome now, so life's good.